हॅलो श्रद्धा, माईक ऑफ राहिला वाटतं बेटा तुझा.
हो मॅम, सॉरी.
हम्म.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, friends. Today I am here to present my topic, big data. So, at this 21st century, computer science is a big part of technology, and those people who are connected with computer science, they are totally concerned, or we can say, means they are totally working on this big data. Big companies like Google, Amazon, they are investing large amount of money on big data. But why they are investing that much money on big data, and what is importance of big data, and what is it, that we will see in this PPT. So start. First, what is big data? According to the definition, big data is a term used to describe a collection of data that is huge in size and yet growing exponentially with time. So, friends, from the first year of BSc of our BSc, we are listening the word data, and now we are familiar with that word data. We all know that data is the collection of information, but what information it includes? So, for example, photo having some storage, it will be in kb or mb, and video having storage in mb or gb. So these are photos, videos, these are the data. Then what is big data? As mentioned in its name only, big data means data which is big. For example, some are uploading photos on Instagram, some are uploading their status on Facebook, and some are uploading videos on YouTube, some are booking tickets, some are ordering medical means medicines online. So this all collection is known as big data. Simply we can say data which is very big and complex is known as big data. How big data works and what is big data processing? So what big companies will do, they are processing on big data, they are analyzing it, they are mining it. Means they are using the useful important data for their industrial growth from big data. For example, if Amazon want any employee, then what Amazon will do, it will search his profile, and it will see his all background, means his work potential, and his work experience, his crime history, all he will check, and then Amazon will decide that they want that employee or they don't want. In this way big data processing is going on. And then how big data works, if I want to buy a laptop, then I will search for it and then I will order it, but then I didn't like any feature of it, then I will cancel it. Then also for 3-4 days I am getting all suggestion of laptop on my search source on Google. Also I am getting about all laptop information, and on YouTube also I am getting all the ads of laptops. So in this way what big data is doing, it is getting, means it is getting data from our and returning it in a big size. So in this way big data works. So here we all are seeing this elephant and Hadoop is writing. So we will get one question, that means big data is very large, then where it is getting stored or where it is going? So Hadoop is one of the software which is used to store the big data. Hadoop is a Java-based software and it is the open source. Most of the data scientists and data analyzers are using this Hadoop for storing the data and using it for their benefits. How big is big data? Now we all know that big data is big, but how big it is, we will see with examples. So here Google, 40,000 searches per second, means 40,000 searches queries are happening per second, that is equals to 5.5 billion searches per day. So we can imagine how big it is. Then we will see the example of emails. So 2.9 million number of emails sent every second, that is equals to 294 billion emails are sent every day. Means how huge it is we can imagine. 700 billion total minutes spent on Facebook each month, means 2.2 billion active users are there now on the Facebook. So another examples, we will see the activities of 1 minute. So 1 lakh tweets per every minute, and 7 lakh status updates, and 217 new mobile users are there. Means 200 new users are using mobile network every minute. So from this all example, we get the idea that how big and how huge big data is. Next, three V's of big data. What are these three V's? Means these are the characters of big data. First, volume. Volume is nothing but the size of big data. Usually in our phone, it will be in MB or GB, but in the world it will be in MB, GB, TB, PB, EB, and so on. It goes on. So this is the size of big data. Velocity means by which speed it is processing, or by which speed people are getting information from big data. Variety. Variety means type of big data. Only videos and photos are not the big data types. Many more is there. Means like text, written context, PDFs, videos, and so on. There is a huge amount type of big data. Next, advantages and disadvantages. So first, advantages: understanding and targeting customers. Means what the big data is doing, it is knowing that what are the interests or what are the preferences of customer and returning it. Shorten processing time means it requires very short time to process. Detect fraud and identify that. We are now listening that my bank account is hacked, or the bank corruption. So in that case, it will find the hacker or detect the fraud.